Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a serious issue: coolant mixing with oil. If you find coolant in your oil, it's a major red flag that something is wrong with your engine. We'll go over the 4 most common causes, what to do if you notice this problem, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. 1. Blown head gasket. The most common cause of coolant mixing with oil is a blown head gasket. The head gasket seals the engine block and cylinder head, preventing oil and coolant from mixing. When it blows, the seal is compromised, allowing coolant to seep into the oil passages. You might also notice white smoke from the exhaust or overheating. To fix this, you'll need to replace the head gasket, which can be a costly job, depending on your car. 2. Cracked engine block. A cracked engine block is another possible cause. This crack can allow coolant and oil to mix inside the engine. A cracked block is a serious issue that may require engine replacement or significant repairs. Sometimes engine block sealants can temporarily stop the leak, but this is typically a short-term fix. 3. Warped or cracked cylinder head. The cylinder head can also warp or crack, usually due to overheating. When the cylinder head is damaged, coolant can leak into the oil passages. If caught early, a warped cylinder head can be resurfaced, but a cracked head usually needs to be replaced. 4. Damaged oil cooler. Some vehicles are equipped with an oil cooler, which helps regulate oil temperature. If the oil cooler fails or the seals break, coolant can mix with oil. Replacing the oil cooler and its seals can fix this issue. What to do if you find coolant in oil? If you discover coolant in the oil, don't drive the vehicle. Coolant in the oil can cause severe engine damage, as it reduces the oil's ability to lubricate the engine components. The first step is to stop driving and get the vehicle inspected immediately. How to fix coolant in oil. The repair needed depends on the cause. Here are your options. Blown head gasket. Replace the head gasket and flush the oil and coolant systems. Cracked engine block. You may need to replace or repair the engine block, which can be expensive. Warped/cracked cylinder head. Resurface or replace the cylinder head. Damaged oil cooler. Replace the oil cooler and flush both the oil and coolant systems. After the repair, always make sure to change the oil and coolant to ensure there's no contamination left. Conclusion. In summary, the 4 main causes of coolant mixing with oil are a blown head gasket, a cracked engine block, a warped or cracked cylinder head, and a damaged oil cooler. This is a serious problem that requires immediate attention to prevent engine damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and solutions. See you next time.